Alzano Foods and Caterers. Today's recipe: crispy fried chicken. Take 1 kilogram chicken and make deep cuts on it. Clean it properly. For marination, note down the ingredients. For coating, preparing batter. Coating the marinated chicken. Dip into the water. Recoating the chicken. Preheat oil in the pan. Temperature between 350 F to 375 F. Fry for 7 to 10 minutes. Now mouth-watering. Crispy fried chicken is ready to eat.
Serve with bun and fries and enjoy the recipe.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more recipes.